disappointed with today. So originally what my plan was gonna be was I was actually going to attempt to hit up a smoke shop, right? Because me and my boy last night we were actually talking about the possibility of me getting into not vaping, but me buying like cartridge pens and shit, and you know, getting high. But the issue is that he lives in California, where all that shit is fucking legal. So THC, woo-hoo, that's all done. But he lives in California, where all that THC and stuff is legal, so like you can like go and buy that stuff. Where here, the only thing that's like legal, I don't really know if it's considered cannabis. I'm not into that whole like scene, but the only thing that you can buy over here is just CBD, and I mean, I don't really have any injuries, so I'm not really trying to buy CBD. I'm not gonna lie, my bike feels a little finicky. I'm feeling it vibrate a lot. So I know of a couple like smoke stores that are near me and that sell CBD, so I figured, you know, I would take a wild guess and I would hit them up, be like, hey, yo, dog, you know, I ain't no snitch, but you know, you guys got THC in the back and shit. And of course they were like, nah, we only sell CBD, that type of stuff. So I don't know, I was really in the mood to like just sort of like be able to, I guess, vape. So I ended up buying a juul. I'm very, very, very late to the train, I know. Juuls have been around for about maybe 3, maybe 4 years, and they were really popular like 2 years ago. I wanted one a little while ago, but I was just like, nah. So I ended up buying something called a Vuse, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's a Vuse Alto, and I kind of really like it. The only thing that kind of sucks, the only thing I would say that really sucks is, I guess since the FDA wanted to get all like picky and shit last year or 2019, whenever it happened, like the big thing about like Juuls and stuff was that, hey, you can get your nicotine and stuff from like all these crazy ass flavors like mango, berry, that whole part. But since the United States FDA wanted to be, you know, little hard asses, you know, it's kind of impossible to get those now. So I managed to find a way to get some. So I ended up getting a couple flavors. I got like berry, I got passion fruit, and I got mango. But the only thing is that I had to get them from Canada because our FDA doesn't allow. So thankfully, I mean, I can sort of get that, so I can get that sort of shit that I wanted. I didn't get like anything crazy, you know, I didn't get like 5 milligrams of nicotine or anything like that. I kept it real small, and I only got like 2% because I'm not smoking a juul or an alto, whatever you want to call it. I'm not smoking a juul to get a nicotine fix. I'm literally doing it just to fucking do it. And I know that it's supposedly quote unquote like highly addictive, all that other BS, which to me is a lie. I mean, I believe that you can become addicted to it, but I think it also comes down to the type of person you are. For example, when I used to live in when I was living in Texas, before I moved up here, I used to smoke. Like I would smoke like cigarillos, like cigs, all that type of stuff. And I wasn't addicted, but I just did it just to do it. And when my mom hit me up saying, hey, you should come move up here, you know, I'll put you in school, X, Y, Z, you know, you can do that, but you gotta drop your little cigarettes. And I was like, all right, cool, easy. And I dropped it. So, I mean, I would say when it comes to like addictive nature, I'm very good at like dropping it. But I don't think I'm gonna get addicted here. Like I said, I'm just doing it just to do it. So, let's see what happens. It's definitely a little bit too early to say it, but I would say that I like with how consistent I'm being with these videos. I know that this is only like the 4th video, but for me to like consistently like keep doing this, I mean, that's kind of big for me. Look at this big ass train, dude. I'm not gonna lie, so I just hit 30 in first gear. I've never done that before. That's weird. Interesting. But I mean, it would be really nice if THC was like, you were able to purchase it and stuff, because then I could do it. I could get high. I mean, so I spoke to a couple of people and they told me, you know, that there are ways that you can get it. What some people will do is they'll get the THC like juice themselves, and then they'll get the cartridges or the pods or whatever. I would assume cartridges, because I don't think you can refill pods. That would be pretty sick, but I don't think you can refill pods. So I think what people do is they get the cartridges and they have their own juice and they just do it like that. Now my roommate's girl does have sort of a hookup, but I mean, I don't really see her that much. So I mean, if I see her, I'm 100% gonna ask her about it. But until then, I mean, I'll just deal with the juul. And I kind of gotta wait anyway, because like I said, I found a site that sells like the fruity pods and stuff. So I kind of already dropped like 30 bucks on pods. So I have the one menthol pod that's in my juul now, and then I have like 2 other flavors or 4 other pods that are coming. So I'm gonna end up asking her about like her hookup, and then I'm just gonna switch the THC cartridges once I run out. I'm not really in a big hurry to start like smoking and getting high and shit, because it's not that big of a deal to me. Plus, it's really just another bill. Honestly, I didn't even need to buy a juul right now. I probably just dropped like maybe 50 bucks on it. So because of that, I mean, it kind of put me in a tiny pickle. So every week I order food from HelloFresh. So with me getting this juul, I kind of had to eliminate next week. And I only have about like 60 bucks until my next payday. Everyone is struggling, you know. Some people are just struggling more with others because they're bad with money, i.e. me as an example. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, something is off with my bike. This shit it doesn't feel right. Like I said, I'm just doing it just to do it. I know I'm kind of getting into it like way too heavy, because I had went ahead and I already ordered a scan for it. I didn't really have to, but the place that I went to where they sell like the actual device, they didn't have the color that I wanted, so I was like, I want something that's like the color I want. Alright, time for a little. But I mean, it's whatever. I mean, I got sort of some good news for myself. So since I got the gym membership fixed, you know, hey, I can get back on that grind. I need to get back on 2 grinds or I'm gonna have to drop one. I need to get back on the gym grind, and it's gonna sound kind of gay, but I don't really go outside, so I kind of need a substitute. I need to start tanning more, and I need to start going to the gym more. I pay 30 bucks for the gym, so I think very shortly that could very well get eliminated, because actually my home gym in my apartment complex is actually about to reopen. So that's gonna do me wonders, and then that could very well save me like 30 bucks a month. It's not a lot, but you know, 30 bucks is 30 bucks. Apparently they're doing some renovations. Hopefully renovations means bigger weights, you know? Because the issue that I had with my home gym, it wasn't that it was a bad gym. It was more about the fact that their weights maxed out like at a bad level, and they didn't have like everything that I needed. Their weights only maxed out at like 60, not 60, 90 even. Their weights only maxed out at like 50. And 50 is definitely, I'm not saying it's a bad number, 50 is definitely a good number for doing everything, for like bench presses, shoulders, everything. But I'm trying to pack muscle, and you know, you need a lot more than 50 for that. I'm going very slow. But you know, 50 just wasn't cutting it, so I went to a big boy gym, and I seem to like it a lot better. Especially since they actually have stuff that I can do with my legs. I used to skate and stuff, so my legs were always like built and stuff. But you know, it never hurts to keep them like toned in that type of area, you know. Is way better when it comes to weather, because this is okay, but it's miserable. Next week it's supposed to be like 60 and nothing barely below 40, so that's gonna be amazing. Luckily today I double layered like I had said earlier, so that definitely helps out. Like my legs are fine, my hands are kind of meh, but I mean, it's whatever. Now from here, I just got to make an illegal left turn, and then it puts me on the road to go to my house, and then I go to the gym, and then go there, you know, superset everything, be done in about 30-40 minutes. I think I'm just gonna go. Yeah, I'm just gonna go, fuck it. But I just gotta go home, you know, drop my stuff off, charge my juul, and then hit the gym for like 30-40 minutes, and then I get to hop on, play Warzone. I'm hoping that I get my account back. That's a story that I'll save for tomorrow, or in this case, the next video. I am on the wrong side of the road. Oh shit, I didn't even notice. That's something that I'll tell in tomorrow's video, or in the next video, I mean. But basically my Call of Duty account got banned on Modern Warfare, but I can play on Cold War. I'll explain it tomorrow. I'll explain it in the next video is what I mean. But it's very weird Activision. But I'm here at my location, so I am going to end the video, and I will see you guys in the next